حي على الصلاة.
How to perform the daily prayers, Salah, a detailed guide. It is obligatory to perform the following 5 prayers on a daily basis during the prescribed times. 1. Salat al-Fajr, dawn prayer, which consists of 2 units. Each unit of prayer is called a Rak'ah. 2. Salat al-Dhuhr, midday prayer, consisting of 4 units. 3. Salat al-Asr, afternoon prayer, consisting of 4 units. 4. Salat al-Maghrib, dusk prayer, which consists of 3 units. 5. Salat al-Isha, night prayer, consisting of 4 units. In performing the daily prayers taught by the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his holy household Ahlul Bayt, it is essential to follow the prescribed order, tartib, and maintain regular succession, mu'alat, of the prayer actions. Additionally, the prayer must be performed in Arabic. Learning these recitations and their meanings is essential for the correct performance of Salah. The person must first perform preliminary purification, such as wudu or ghusl if necessary, and fulfill all other prerequisites. Preparation. Stand up facing the Qibla, direction of the Holy Kaaba in Mecca, and it is recommended to recite the Adhan and Iqamah before entering the actual prayer. In the first unit, Rak'ah 1. Make niyyah. Make intention in your mind that I offer this 2 rak'ah of Fajr, for instance, qurbatan ila Allah, seeking closeness to God. 2. Say takbiratul ihram. Lift both hands up to the ears and say Allahu Akbar. God is greater than our praises. It is recommended to say it after each part of the Salah during the prayer. 3. Do qiyam. Remain in the standing position while performing the recitations. 4. Do qira'ah. Recite Surah Al-Fatiha.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين.
Then recite any complete chapter, surah, of the Holy Quran. For instance, we choose the short chapter, number 112, Surah Al-Ikhlas.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد.
Step 5. Do ruqu'. After completing the second chapter, say Allahu Akbar.
Allahu Akbar.
And then bow down until the hands can be placed on the knees. Step 6. Recite dhikr in ruqu'. The following dhikr, glorification, should be recited once in this position.
سبحان ربي العظيم وبحمده.
Glory be to my Lord, the Great, and praise belongs to Him. You can repeat the same even 3 times to get more reward. Step 7. Resume the standing position and recite
سمع الله لمن حمده.
God hears the one who praises Him. Then say
Allahu Akbar.
Then move on to step 8, the prostration, sujood. Sujood means that one should place one's forehead on earth in a special manner with the intention of humility before God. While performing the sujood, it is obligatory that both the palms and the knees and both the big toes be placed on the ground. Step 9. Recite dhikr in sujood. The following dhikr should be recited in the sujood once.
سبحان ربي الأعلى وبحمده.
Glory be to my exalted Lord, and praise belongs to Him. After the first sajda, raise the forehead. And step 10, sit up in between the 2 sujood. Sit up in a kneeling position with the ankle of the right foot in the sole of the left foot, with the hands resting on the thighs, and say Allahu Akbar, followed by
أستغفر الله ربي وأتوب إليه.
I ask forgiveness of God, my Lord, and turn towards Him. Then say Allahu Akbar
Allahu
again.
Akbar.
Step 11. Go into the second sajda. Do the sajda again and repeat the same dhikr. Step 12. Sit up for a moment and then rise for the second unit, while optionally saying,
بحول الله وقوته أقوم وأقعد.
with God's help and through His power, I stand and sit. In the second unit, Rak'ah, after regaining the upright posture, recite Surah Al-Fatiha and another surah of the Holy Quran as in the first Rak'ah. Then say Allahu Akbar,
Allahu Akbar.
and then do qunut. Keep your hands in front of your face, turning the palms facing upwards, and keeping both the hands and the fingers close together. Recite any supplication, for example,
ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار.
O our Lord, bestow upon us good in this world and good in the hereafter, and protect us from the torment of the fire. Quran chapter 2 verse 201. Note, the qunut is a recommended step. After qunut, say Allahu Akbar,
Allahu Akbar.
followed by the ruku', then 2 sujood, both as described for the first rak'ah. Do tashahud. After the second sajda, resume the kneeling position and recite
أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد.
If you are performing the Fajr dawn prayer, skip the rest and go to the section entitled Completion. In the third unit, Rak'ah, only for Dhuhr, Asr, Maghrib and Isha prayers, recite Tasbihatul Arba'. After regaining the upright posture, either recite Surah Al-Fatiha or recite Tasbihatul Arba' 3 times as follows.
سبحان الله والحمد لله ولا إله إلا الله والله أكبر.
Perform the ruku' as you did in the first and second rak'ah. Stand up momentarily and then do the 2 sujood. This is exactly as described under the section first rak'ah. If you are performing the Maghrib dusk prayers, recite the tashahud next, then skip the rest and go to completion. In the fourth unit rak'ah, only for Dhuhr, Asr and Isha, this is identical to the third rak'ah. After the second prostration of the fourth rak'ah, resume the kneeling position and recite the tashahud. Completion. After reciting the tashahud of the final rak'ah, recite the taslim, salutation, which completes your prayer.
السلام عليك أيها النبي ورحمة الله وبركاته. السلام علينا وعلى عباد الله الصالحين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Thereafter, optionally say Allahu Akbar 3 times. Your prayer has come to the end. It's highly recommended to seek guidance and practice under the supervision of an experienced person, such as an alim, if you are new to the Salah. This will help ensure that you perform the prayers correctly and with the proper intention and focus. To find out further details about the ritual and spiritual aspects of the daily prayers, visit www.findtruth.co.uk.